Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4, Section 5, Heat Transfer. Today we will conduct 3 experiments, which is conduction, convection and radiation.
Okay, now I'm going to explain about the conduction. Conduction is a heat process which heat or electricity directly transmitted through a substance when there is a difference of temperature or electrical between adjoining regions without movements of the material. It occurs solids, liquids and gases, but is most effectively in solids, particularly metals, because their atoms or molecules are closely packed together. Heat conduction, this involves the transfer of the thermal energy. When one part of the material is heated, the particles in that area gain energy and vibrates more vigorously. These vibrations are passed to adjacent particles, transferring heat energy through the material. Okay, let's start our experiment with the metal spoon, because metal spoon has a high electric conductivity and heat conductivity. This spoon has no heat and temperature now, but we are going to put it in the boiling water now. Let's wait for a minute for the result. Okay, it's already been 1 minute. Let us go check. Okay, now we can clearly see that the spoon has been heated. The heat has been conducted by the spoon. This means conduction has occurred.
And a very good afternoon. I will continue for the convection part. Before that, convection is the process by which heat is transferred through fluid and gases by the movement of the fluid itself. There are two main types of convection. First, natural convection, which is it occurs when the fluid movement is caused by difference in temperature and density within the fluid. For example, warm air rise and cool air sinks, creating a circular pattern. And the second, forced convection. This happens when an external force, such as a fan or pump, move the fluid, enhancing the heat transfer process. So I will show you the convection experiment. Come closer. So we need a syrup and a boiled water. I will pour the syrup into the boiled water, and we can see it will dissolve itself in the water without we stir it. So that's all for the convection.
With our project, which is radiation. So basically, radiation heat is a process where heat waves are emitted that may be absorbed or reflected. So as you can see, the ice start melting, even though the ice is not directly above the heat. After a period of time, the ice turns from solid into liquid.
We complete all the experiment today, which is conduction, convection and radiation. For summary, in the experiment, determined spoon illustrates stock showcase with optional color water for visibility and holding an ice cube near the fire stove demonstrate radiation in the smelting. D is on activities actually illustrate the principle of conduction, convection and radiation in practical context, emphasizing the distinct role in heat transfer. Caution is recommended when handling heat source and flames. That's all from me. Thank you.